Hey everybody.
Hello.
Hey everybody.
Hello.
Hi everybody. Imagine Eating, that's what we're called.
We're so glad you found us.
We've got a very special recipe today. What are we making today, Angela? What are we gonna make?
What are we making today, Nick?
Honey, coriander, chicken wings.
Cheeseburger egg rolls.
Pão de queijo, Brazilian cheese bread.
Chicken tinga tacos.
We just wanted to make a fruit tart. The Shack Burger from Shake Shack.
Teriyaki noodles from Ohana.
Oh, very science.
So now we take our syringe, we fill it with wonderful blueberry compote.
And now we're gonna let this come back up to a boil and reduce it so that way it'll intensify the flavor of the wine.
You want to get in there and really get that pan very hot to be able to pull off a good stir fry.
Yeah, you want to be careful with that flambe. Kind of like a French pot roast.
Out of all the dishes we've made today, including the wine jelly, this is the one that I'm least confident with. I'm excited either way.
Are you ready? Get ready. That is gorgeous.
Cheers.
Hopefully you guys are enjoying the things that we're making also. So like, subscribe, do the stuff. If you like this video, tell your friends. If you don't like this video, tell an enemy.
Tell nobody.
No, tell an enemy and just pretend the whole thing.
That's smart. Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.